Today is Thursday, October 2nd, 2025. Current time is 7:02 in the PM. I just did the math for tomorrow. Potentials, and it's a whole lot more broad than what it was today. Not a whole lot more, but more regardless. And I'll go over what happened today and why it happened, and etc. etc. On the 1 minute chart, this morning it got into the +1 deviation from the anchor VWAP, and that's where it rejected from. It found support on the top of the average daily range. So that, in the past, that means like you're about to see some really bullish action coming up. But it never could quite graze over 669.88 that I had as possible resistance yesterday. So tomorrow, the resistance levels in the 161.8% level from today match up pretty close. So you got two levels that match up that can be resistance, and it's right around 676.22 and 676.50. So super duper tight. So that gives you two levels. It's pretty close, and you're also above the +3 deviation from the anchor VWAP for today. That'd be like +5 deviation. So if you keep up with your scales like that, then low probability of going past that on a statistical basis on the old bell curve. 662 is what I have for potential support, and from today the old level is the bottom of the average daily range. So those two levels match up. So 659.62 around the area, probably a little bit above that. I'd say probably 659.75 would be a better possible point to set an alert for and look around that area for possible support in that area. So that would be really good spot. Again, like -3 deviation from the anchor VWAP is also at 662 right now. So all within reason, and all decent spots to look at for possible entry. Again, the best way I can tell it is the buy and sell volume and the trend that is currently in at that time on the 1 minute chart. Like this morning when it hit the +2 deviation from the anchored VWAP, you don't have like any freaking movement down here. Maybe I can zoom to it. Yeah, you just get choppy sideways, choppy sideways, choppy sideways. So reading it at that time is also difficult. You just have to have faith, I guess. You're at a higher statistical probability for going down and up. But it also, well, I don't know. It was Tuesdays are usually a better day. Tomorrow has a much higher difference in the potential support and resistance areas. I mean, it's way more than what it was today. So that's all I got. Hope you're happy, healthy, well. Goodbye.